Hello children, welcome to our grammar class. In this class, we are going to continue with the singular and plural part 3. Okay, in the last class, we discussed about the first 3 rules, how to change a singular noun into a plural noun. Okay, now we are going to see about the remaining rules. Okay, first rule, before that I just recall you the last class. Okay, first rule is to be adding yes. We usually add yes to change a singular noun into a plural noun. Then add es. Okay, for this add es, we have some condition. If you want to know, please look at our part 1, part 2 video. Okay, and the third one is to be change f into ves. Okay, and now we are going to see about the next rule. That is for some nouns that are same for singular and plural. Some nouns have a same singular and plural. Okay, that's only we are going to see now. Same for both singular and plural. Okay, I just write down some examples. Sheep, fish, deer, okay, these nouns don't have a plural form. It means it doesn't have a plural form, not like that. Same for singular and as well as for plural. Okay, if it is only one sheep also, it's called as sheep, and more than one sheep also, it is called as sheep only, because same for singular and plural. They don't have any changes. Okay, sheep, plural itself also sheep. Fish, fish only. Okay, then deer, deer. Hair. Music, music only. Then furniture, furniture only. Okay, இந்த மாதிரி இருக்க நவுன்ஸ்லாம் என்ன இருக்காது, சேம் ப்ளூரல் இருக்கும், சேம் சிங்குலர் இருக்கும். ஓகேவா, ப்ளூரல் ஃபார்ம் இல்ல அப்படி கிடையாது. இட் இஸ் சேம் ஃபார் சிங்குலர் அண்ட் ப்ளூரல். ஓகே, தென் அன்கவுண்டபிள் நவுன்ஸ், எதெல்லாம் நம்மளால கவுண்ட் பண்ண முடியாதோ, which are the nouns we cannot able to count, they don't have a plural form because it is same for singular and plural. Okay, and the second rule, that is that which mean fifth rule. Okay, new word. Okay, singular ஒரு wordல இருக்கும், plural வேற மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஓகேவா, here we not going to add any something. Okay, letters, any letters or same for singular plural அப்படி இருக்காது. Okay, here new words, singular க்கும் plural க்கும் different are the words. Okay, just have an example. Okay, for woman, the plural form is to be women. Okay, the plural form is woman. Just look at the difference. Here a, here e. Okay, new word. Here we have get a new word, and two, it is teeth. For goose, geese. Child, children. Okay, are you clear? நீங்க என்ன செஞ்சுக்கோ, நியூ வேர்டே எழுதிக்கோ. ஓகேவா, woman, women. இந்த இடத்துல women's அப்படி போட்டா it is wrong. woman னா woman அப்படியே போட்டாலும் அது wrong. ஓகேவா, woman, women. Two teeth. Goose, geese. Child, children. Okay, இங்க நம்ம என்ன பார்த்தோம், sheep, sheep. Same for both singular and plural. ரெண்டுத்துக்குமே சேமா இருக்கும்னு பார்த்தோம். ஓகேவா, and now the last rule, that is if noun ends in y mean we have to change that y into ies. And y we have one condition, that is if the noun ends with y, that y coming with non-consonant, in the sense we have to remove that y and add ies. Okay, simple as now y with consonants. y கூட கான்சனன்ட் வந்ததுன்னு சொன்னா நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், y பதில் ies ஆட் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? NC y mean y to ies. Okay, singular plural. Some examples. Okay, just look out all the endings y. These are all words ending in y. Okay, y கூட என்ன வந்திருக்கு நம்ம பார்க்கணும். We have to look out y with consonant or vowels. Vowel in sense we know a e i o u called as vowels. Okay வா? vowel கூட வந்ததுன்னா just s மட்டும் ஆட் பண்ணனும். If suppose y கூட consonant a e i o u தவிர்த்து remaining வந்ததுன்னா நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், we have to change this y. Okay, இந்த y எடுத்துட்டு நாம என்ன செய்யணும், ies ஆட் பண்ணனும். ஓகேவா? so lady y remove பண்ணிட்டு ies. okay, lady ladies, a berry berries, then baby babies, fly flies, body bodies. Okay, cherry cherries. Are you clear with today's class? Yes, first one enna panirukom, same for singular and plural, and second one new word form ஆகிருக்கு, and third one y கூட consonant வருதுன்னு சொன்னா நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், we have to remove that y and add ies. Okay, and first condition add yes. நம்ம 36 rules பார்த்திருக்கோம். first one add yes and add es. noun வந்து s h x z இதெல்லாம் முடிஞ்சதுன்னா es ஆட் பண்ணணும். okay, and third one f or fe ல noun முடிஞ்சதுன்னு சொன்னா we have to add ves instead of f. f என்ன மாறும், ves change ஆகும். and same for singular and plural. new word, here new word frame ஆகுது, and இங்க y கூட consonant வந்ததுன்னா y remove பண்ணிட்டு ies போடணும். okay, with the singular plural concept getting aimed. If you have any doubt means just look out our part 1 and part 2 videos on singular and plural. Okay, thank you so much ma. In the next video we will discuss about the next class. Okay.